Hello everyone, and today we have a camping lantern from TrustFire, namely the model called TC50. All this stuff comes in this packaging, where on the front side there is an image of the flashlight itself and an indication that this flashlight has a 3-year warranty, a 21700 battery, a maximum brightness of 5100 lumens, and a USB-C charging port. And also on the side edge are the features and characteristics of the product. Well, let's move on to unpacking and see what's inside. In the kit you will find a user manual, a USB-A to USB-C charging cable, a sealing ring, and of course the TrustFire TC50 flashlight itself. Before we get into the details, here's what you need to know at a glance. The TC50 is a next-generation multi-purpose camping and emergency lantern from TrustFire, delivering up to 5,100 lumens of light through 3 separate emitters, namely a spot beam, a wide beam, and a cob ring panel for diffused camping and reading light, warm light, plus blue and red for emergency signals. The model is made of AL6061-T 6 aircraft aluminum, which is resistant to scratches and wear, with fine knurling for a secure grip and IPX6 waterproofing, ensuring reliable operation in the rain, splashes, or on dusty roads. The flashlight has also been drop tested from a height of 1 meter, confirming its durability for use in the field. The dimensions of the flashlight are 158 millimeters, barrel length, 30 millimeters, barrel diameter, and 54 millimeters, head diameter, and the weight of the flashlight with the battery is 280 grams. By the way, this flashlight uses a branded battery from TrustFire for 5,000 milliamp hours, 3.7 volts, 18.5 watt hours. There is a powerful magnet at the back of the flashlight, with which you can magnetize the flashlight to any metal surface. And also in the back in the center, we have a threaded adapter, with which you can screw it to a tripod, and use it as a lamp next to a tent, or just put it on a table, which makes this device even more multifunctional. But even without a tripod, the lantern can also stand on its own on a flat surface thanks to the flat base. Under the plug, we have a USB-C charging port. We have 2 switches, an electronic clicky push switch and a plastic sliding switch on the side. The mode selector on the side has a little play, but there are no problems selecting the desired mode, and there is an audible click when switching. The center button also provides an audible click when pressed and good feedback with each press. The bezel of the flashlight is made of stainless steel, and the central lens is made of polycarbonate. The lens is the Jingnang ball of the HP series, and another series of round chips using the HP reflector. And this part is the COB light source, specially for this camping lantern. As I said earlier, the flashlight has several light streams and several modes. Let's look at them. 1. When the side switch is in the down position, off. Double-click the center button to enter the red or blue flashing modes. Then 1-click switches. Fast red and blue flashing. Red flashing only. Blue flashing only. To exit the flashing modes, hold the center button for a few seconds. 2. When the side switch is in the middle position, the flashlight turns on with a warm white light by default. Short presses of the center button cycle through the brightness levels. Low, medium, high, very high. To turn on the red light, press and hold the center button. Weak red, bright red, slow red flashing, fast red flashing. And the last mode is SOS red flashing. To switch to blue light, press and hold the button again. Weak blue, bright blue, slow blue flashing, fast blue flashing, and the last mode is SOS blue flashing. By the way, only the warm white mode remembers the last used brightness. The red and blue modes do not have a memory. They always start from the first gear. 3. When the side switch is in the upper position, floodlight spotlight mode, the flashlight turns on in the last saved mode. Here a short press changes the brightness of the spotlight. Firefly mode, medium mode, bright, even brighter, and extremely bright. Holding the button for 1 second switches to the high beam mode. Then you can change the brightness of the high beam: low, medium, and high. A long hold switches back to the spotlight mode. There is a memory for both the spotlight and the high beam. The next time you turn it on, the flashlight will remember the last brightness. You can also turn on the strobe in this mode, namely by holding the center button for about 3 seconds. To exit it, you just need to briefly press the button, and you will get to the last previously turned on mode. To sum it up, the TrustFire TC50 stands out as a true all-rounder. Its 3 independent emitters deliver up to 5,100 lumens of crisp spot, wide-angle, and warm diffused light, while the red-blue cob panel covers every emergency or signaling need. Built from aircraft-grade AL6061-T6, with IPX6 water resistance, a magnetic tail, tripod mount, and reliable 5,000 mAh battery, it combines rugged durability with everyday convenience. Although mastering its many modes takes a moment's practice, its performance, versatility, and solid build make the TC50 a real gem for campers, first aid kits, or anyone seeking a premium-grade lantern at a fair price. And that's all from me. You can buy it using the link in the description. Thank you all for watching. Good luck to everyone. Bye everyone. Ciao.